Namaste from YogiFi. Let's start the session. Upward dog pose. Let's begin by lying down with belly side on the mat, keeping your palms by the side of the shoulders. Inhale and slowly raise the chest up and until the arms are fully straight. Do not bend your elbows. Draw your shoulders away from the ears. Lower body should be off the mat. Keep the toes of feet on the mat, about hip width apart. Awesome, you've got it right. Downward dog pose. Now, slowly raise your hips up, tailbone up and chest downward, and try to adjust to bring your feet on the mat. Maintain equal body weight, lifting the tailbone up. Adjust your feet to keep the entire feet with heels also on the mat. Fantastic. You have completed the session successfully.